Yeah, when we used to, on the Curry Rail, and then we used to go to the Onehunga Wharf and walk underneath the new bridge in the footpath and into Queen Street. But I believe there's a good bookshop there called Beyer, hard to find.
Yeah, there's a couple on the Onehunga Mall.
Yeah.
I think
One down this end, the other one down up the top end.
But there are some good shops around Onehunga. They have some of the old time shops.
Yeah.
Really good sewing shops and decent $2 shops.
Yeah.
They've got some good bakeries there.
Yeah.
Well, there we go. Well, that's Sheila in the ITI bakery off the seat one now.
Welcome aboard the Steam Line service to Monaco via Glen and Beyer.
Bakery's good.
Hey?
Dunny Road Bakery.
Yeah, well, I haven't been there.
The car park's quite good, of course.
Oh, I like these
They have great cars.
Yeah.
With the real thing.
Yeah. Because I go and see the Birdman there most days.
Yeah.
Usually get a couple of pies from there. And they give me the coffee grounds for the garden.
No, you're trying to make it in the bloody face moisturiser.
You just shut up. Can't tell everybody my secret. I think I never ever want to go back to the London again. I used to be shitting myself in the underground because I didn't know where I was going.
The next station is
They've got a
Port
brand new line there too, haven't
The
they?
station is temporarily closed
The
for
Queen Elizabeth
redevelopment.
line?
A rail shuttle bus
I don't know.
from Monaco to the station to Heathrow.
Not yet, they
In the
haven't.
interest of safety, please keep all doorways and aisles clear of objects. For your own personal safety, please keep clear of the doors at all times.
You only clock on.
If there is an emergency, please use the emergency stop button located near the passenger doors.
And it run out.
Your ATM card or ticket will be checked at any time.
London's pretty dangerous, of course. I'll tell you a story about that. I had a teacher friend. She went overseas for the main first to tour around Britain.
Yeah.
Anyway, they were going through London in the underground. They were going upstairs in one of the underground areas.
Yeah.
And this lady's girlfriend was stabbed with a syringe. This guy stabbed her with a syringe. And that more or less made up their whole holiday. Their whole holiday. They both came back to New Zealand early.
I think the biggest mistake, and I've told Dave, I should have stayed in Salerno and done the whole fortnight there. And you can study forth on the train. The trains in Italy are all bad at all. But nah, right, I had to go to Britain.
Anyway, this friend of mine and a lady friend were on this holiday. The holiday was always packed up because of one person with a syringe. They came back 3 weeks early. Now, just along here you can see the entrance.
Yeah, well that's right. They're around here somewhere, aren't they?
A bit further.
Well, I better get my camera out.
We'll get that
The
out.
trouble is, the glass in
No,
it.
you put the camera up close to the glass.
Is that right?
Yep. I was told that by airline attendant many years ago.
Oh yeah. How long?
It's coming up in about 100 metres.
Yeah.
Oh, all right. Okay.
There you are.
Where?
There.
Oh shit! Too late. Oh look.
There's one there.
Where's the bastards painting them all? Oh, too late. Too late. Yeah, one was the Garratt, wasn't it?
Yeah, the first one was the Garratt in 2 KAs.
Yeah. Peabody from Manchester. But they never used to be there.
They used to be up in Parnell.
Yeah.
Later on, you'll see what's happened at Parnell.
Oh. But how are they knackered completely, are they? Take a lot of money.
Yeah.
I think they can be done up though.
I think that what they need is somewhere to take them to be rebuilt. Because it takes so long to do each one.
I know a few years ago we were in Newcastle and they had one there in the shunting yards there. That's what's going to happen with that bloody Kennedy point and all these crap.
We'll be snowed up.
Yeah.
You won't be able to get up that road very easily. This is better with craft out like this.
Yeah.
This is the way.
I'll put this away. I think I don't need that anymore. I'm just taking a photograph of it. Alright, Nanny, the bloody woman give me.
We've warned you.
Yeah, but that was a bit too slow.
I'll try and get some screenshots off this. Richard, try and get some screenshots off this.
Remember to tag off with your AT hop card or keep your ticket until you leave the station. To open the door, press the green button when lit. Please find the gap between the train and the platform
While
at
the
the
train is
station.
in the station, do not use the toilet. The mangroves, huh? A bloody privet.
See the mangroves have got plenty of seeds on.
Yeah. You even get mangroves in Rocky Bay now, where they've been building around all the shite that's coming off the building site, gradually silting up the low tide. And then things go for miles.
Yes. There's one thing about having a few mangroves though, they do provide homes for little fish.
Oh, yeah.
They do provide
Yeah.
And big fishes.
I see they've got cinemas in here now, Silky Olive.
The next station is Meadowbank.
I'll stay where I am, but if I have to
That used to be the old Sportsways shop. Sporting goods.
Hey?
That used to be Sportsways where you used to do your diving lessons and everything.
Oh yeah.
Where are we?
Well, just of all the bloody developments I've got in here.
We are now arriving at Meadowbank. To open the door,
That's where I the Siemens thing.
Oh, yeah. And Richard, I used to live up there,
Is that right?
just up the back there.
Oh yeah.
And you hear the steam trains coming up through the valley at certain times of the year.
Oh God.
You're getting out of GI, Dave.
Yeah. What have fish and chips or something for lunch?
Hey?
Fish and chips and what have you for lunch?
Whatever.
'Cause that's if he's open, because there used to be my Richard's brother's fish shop
There is
there.
a very good shop there.
Yeah.
And there's another one just over away from there too.
Yeah.
Yeah, the Vandals have really been at those three locomotives, haven't
The next station is Glen.
No, wrong place. It's
Your
a bit
18
further up.
card
Oh,
or
yeah.
ticket may be checked at any time.
they? They can't even keep their bloody hands on of anything.
I think a lot of that happened when they were still sitting in Parnell.
Oh yeah. Well, I'll tell you what, that guy with Mainline Steam, brilliant.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's the second of the four tower cranes on the ridge. I'll do it through the GI.